Hook, have you ever wondered why it feels like banks are always charging you for something? One of the most common fees is for wire transfers. Today, we're going to dive deep into how much Newton charges for wire transfers. Context: wire transfers are essential for a variety of reasons, from sending money to family overseas to making large payments for business transactions. But the fees associated with these transfers can add up quickly. So, let's break down what Newton charges and why. Newton's wire transfer fees. Newton, like many other financial institutions, charges a fee for wire transfers. This fee is typically a fixed amount plus a percentage of the total amount being transferred. While the exact charges can vary depending on factors like the currency involved and the destination country, here's a general breakdown of what you can expect. Fixed fee. This is a flat fee charged regardless of the transfer amount. Percentage fee. This is a fee calculated as a percentage of the total amount being transferred. Factors affecting wire transfer fees. Several factors can influence the final cost of a wire transfer through Newton. Currency. Transfers involving exotic currencies or less common currencies might incur higher fees. Destination country. Some countries have stricter regulations or require additional processing, which can lead to increased fees. Transfer amount. Larger transfer amounts may have higher fees, especially if the percentage fee is significant. Priority service. If you need the transfer to be processed quickly, you might be charged a premium for priority service. Comparing Newton's fees to other banks. To get a better understanding of Newton's wire transfer fees, it's helpful to compare them to other banks or financial institutions. You can find this information on their websites and their fee schedules, or by contacting their customer service. Tips for saving on wire transfer fees. Shop around. Compare fees from different banks to find the most competitive rates. Consider alternative services. Explore online money transfer services that might offer lower fees or different pricing models. Negotiate. If you're a high-volume customer or have a significant relationship with your bank, you might be able to negotiate lower fees. Time your transfers. Some banks may offer lower fees during specific times of the week or month. Additional considerations. Processing time. Be aware of the estimated processing time for wire transfers. Some banks may take longer than others, which could impact your need for priority service. Currency exchange rates. If you're transferring money between different currencies, pay attention to the exchange rate offered by your bank. Hidden fees. Watch out for any hidden fees, such as fees for foreign currency exchange or international payments. Conclusion. Wire transfer fees can be a significant expense, especially for frequent transfers. By understanding how Newton charges for wire transfers and exploring alternative options, you can make informed decisions and potentially save money. Call to action. Have you recently made a wire transfer through Newton? Share your experience in the comments below. And if you have any questions about wire transfer fees or Newton services, feel free to ask. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.